Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change the oil on this 2004 Ford Explorer. If this video is helpful, can you just smash that thumbs up button? Leave a comment down below for the algorithm, really helps out a lot. First thing we're going to do is jack up the passenger side of the vehicle. Now we're going to drain the oil, so crack your drain plug free, take it out, and get your catch pan ready to catch all the oil. Next you need to reach up here and take your oil filter off. You can either wait till your oil is all done draining, or you can do the oil filter at the same time. It's up to you. If you're having trouble getting that oil filter off, get yourself a big set of channel locks like this. They can help a lot with this kind of thing. I'll have them linked down in the description below where you can get them on Amazon, as well as an oil filter and oil and stuff like that. Make sure you've got your drain pan down here for your oil filter also. Alright, now we're gonna pour some oil in here and then just go around the seal here and wet the seal with oil, and this keeps your seal from sticking next time you change your oil. And then install your oil filter. So what we're gonna do, spin this till it touches, and then we're going to go about 3/4 of a turn past that. I usually just go about, not quite as tight as I can get by hand, but pretty close. And then put your drain plug back in and tighten it down. You don't need to over tighten it though. Then we're going to lower our vehicle down so that it's nice and level. Now we're going to refill the engine with 5 quarts of 5W30. Put it in right here. Add that in, and then run your engine for 10-15 seconds. Shut it off. Come over here, check your dipstick and make sure that the oil is between the cross hatching. I don't know how well it can be seen. Yeah, right there you can see the cross hatching on there, and you want to make sure it's towards the top of the cross hatching. So if this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button for me and leave a comment down below? Really helps out a lot. And thanks for watching.